Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery level on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces basically give you that information. The second way is to do it through the quick panel, and the last way is to do it through the settings. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper button. And as you can see, here we have a watch face, and on this watch face we can actually check the battery level. It's displayed right here. We have this power icon and the graph. If you don't have the battery level on the watch face, you can always open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. And once you open the quick panel, you will see the battery level right here at the top. And another way to check it is through the settings. So you can tap on the settings icon, scroll down and find the option called power saving mode. And here you will see the battery level on your watch. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.